15, the number one spot. She takes the stage win, but how does that play in for the overall? Waiting for that to come in. Cecile, does she do it? She wins stage 5, but does she take the overall? Coming on in, and yes, she does. Cecile on the final stage, not only wins stage 5, but takes the.
Going, you almost there! Fucking killed it! Yeah!
Put your hands together, Whistler. What does that put him in the overall? For Jesse Melman, as we wait for it to come in, the overall for Jesse, the number one spot. Jesse's number one spot. 48, 42, 7, and 8. Wow. 28 seconds out.
Jesse Melman. No, Jesse, you can't write this kind of drama. You were biting your fingernails. 7 seconds between you and Richie Rude. But how does it feel to walk away with the number 2 spot?
Just feels awesome to put a race together, you know, just in front of my friends and fans and family. I just wanted to have a good day, and I did that, and good enough for second. Richie, what can I say, man? He's just too good right now.
You've been getting better and better as the Enduro World Series has gone on, just getting better and better, and that number 8 spot coming out of Aspen. Was that the confidence that you needed coming into this race here today?
Yeah, I mean, I've put up good results here in the previous years, but had mechanicals take me out, so I knew with my results recently at the last couple races that I just come here and ride my race and see what happens. And I mean, it couldn't have gone much better. I had one crash, but it wasn't 7 seconds, so yeah.
Can you tell us a little highlight from the day?
Just having my friends and family cheer me on.
And there they are. Congratulations on the number 2 spot. Jesse Melman, the local hero here at Crankworx Whistler.
Thank you.
2 years, 2 gold medals in the same event. How good does it feel, Richie?
Oh, it feels amazing. You know, it's even better today because I flatted on stage 2 and I had a bit of a breakdown, you know, because another dream like gone. I was like, oh, never going to be able to win this again. And, you know, I just ended up pulling back, and I was kind of relying on stage 5 to bring him out the most time, so, yeah.
Talk to me about each stage. So you talk about the adversities that you faced in stage 1 and stage 2, those mechanicals, and then you came back and won stage 3. What really got you through it?
Yeah, I mean, stage 1 went pretty well. I just felt smooth and felt like it was a good start to the day. And then stage 2, I flatted the same place as 2 years ago, and yeah, I was pretty gutted, but I tried to ride it down, and I don't know, like just was going to stage 3, was pretty close on time for my start, and just pinned it, and then just got focused, and I was like, you know what? In Ireland, I came back on 3rd, so might as well just try again.
That makes it 4 firsts out of 6 races on the Enduro World Series. How does that sound to you?
Oh, it sounds great, you know.
Congratulations, your gold medals in the SRAM Canadian Open Enduro presented by Specialized.